Welcome to the Wax Treatment Terracotta Floor tutorial video. My name is Carlos and I want to help you in saving money, doing a great job and being proud of yourself by using the professional treatment line by Fila Products. Always available here in Monferrato area, in my store, Il Tempo Abitato, Robella, Asti. But please follow me to see how easy it is protecting your floor by using the wax. Because I'm not so good in English, step by step I will be easy. I will try to be clear to reach the core of the solution to do the best job of your life. As you can see by the video, I'm washing the terracotta floor because the floor must be clean, must be dry before proceeding with the wax treatment. If you are able to use this kind of machines, go and rent them, but if you don't, please hire a professional team to do the job, because without these machines you are not able to get a proper clean and dry floor and proceeding next with the first step of the wax treatment. Go mark on your calendar that you are going to be busy for 4 days, baby. You need 4 days to complete the job. First day, first step. Second day, second step. Third day, third step. Fourth day, the last step. And remember to not walk on your floor after the first, the second and the third step, because it must dry properly. Proceed with the first step by using the liquid wax Fila Classic, available in 5 liters or 1 liter. It depends how many square meters you need to protect. And see the video, see how many products I put on the floor in this first step, because the floor is like a huge sponge at the moment and the liquid I need be absorbed at the same quantity everywhere, absorbed everywhere, because this is the first step and I needed my liquid wax absorbed everywhere. Remember the word absorbed. So my windows are all closed because I don't need the air to dry my floor. I need the floor absorbing my liquid wax. And you are done with this first step. See what I'm doing? Do the same thing I'm doing in this video and you are gonna be fine. Now you're ready to proceed with the second step, and so you open the door and you see that somewhere your floor is still wet. Oh my gosh, what I have to do? No problem, man, you have to wait just 1 more day and you will be okay by proceeding with the second step. Let's start the second step by brushing the floor. It is very important to brush the floor because it allows you to use at its best the solid wax. And as you can see, I'm using the batch disc on my machine. If you don't have a machine, you can use an old t-shirt or a cotton towel, and you have to brush all the surface. Once you have done, you can proceed immediately by putting your solid wax, natural wax by Fila. See the video. As you can see, I put the solid wax on the floor with a sponge and I check that the solid wax will be absorbed everywhere at the same way. You have to imagine as a cream for the body. What you want by this cream? You want to be protected, but you don't want the cream stays on your skin. You need to be in your skin. You don't want on your skin. This is the same way that you have to check when you put the solid wax on the floor. Once you have done, close the door and see you next day. 24 hours later, open the door and believe me, the solid wax is completely dry and you can proceed with the third step. Let us start like the second one, by brushing the floor. Brushing your floor this time it takes more time than before because the solid wax is stronger and you need to brush it at its best, so be sure to stay on the same zone for a long time, even if you use a brushing machine. Once you completed the brushing process, you are able to finishing your surface by choosing a liquid wax for finishing. What I suggest, what I really recommend is to use again Fila Classic. Fila Classic as a finishing wax for your surface. See the video. See how many quantity I put this time. Very poor quantity. Not a lot of quantity, but the same quantity everywhere. I need my surface wet because my floor doesn't absorb like before, because I put the liquid wax at the first step the solid wax at the second step, and now my floor doesn't absorb anymore. And so you finish to put the Fila Classic on your surface and close the door and see you next day. 24 hours later, open the door and check what you have done. You did a very great job, man, and now brush for the last time your surface and then you have done. Call your friends, call your customer, party on your new floor and be proud of yourself by telling people, this wax treatment, I did it myself, right? So thank you for watching this tutorial video. Sorry for my poor English, but please subscribe, leave your comment below, contact me, do not hesitate to ask questions, alright? See you next time for the next video. Cheers by Carlos and Tempo Vitale.